Phone silent.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are hale and hearty. Hope this new year 2021 brings new hopes, good health and success to everyone. I, Dr. Rupali Patel, Principal of Vrindavan Yojana branch of Lucknow Public Schools and Colleges, take this opportunity to share my views on time management, the success mantra. Every person in this world has the same amount of time in his hands. However, the only thing that matters is how we utilize it. To become a successful person, you need to learn the art of time management. Time management is nothing but an ability to properly use time and not wasting it. Spending a little time learning about time management technique will have huge benefits now and throughout your life. Since we all know that time cannot be held back, it will fly away even before we realize that we have wasted it. Let us first learn about the need for effective time management. Now we all get a number of opportunities in life to prove ourselves. However, due to laziness, fears, or lack of motivation, we waste most of the useful time available in our hands. Effective time management will help you create your future the way you want it. It will allow you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time, which lets you to take advantage of learning opportunities, lowers your stress, and helps you focus, which leads to more career success. It enables you to work smarter and not harder. Both time management and success go hand in hand with each other, and it is very much possible for any person to achieve success by practicing time management. Now let us discuss some tips for effective time management. Now the first tip is set your goals correctly, which can be achieved. For every human being, it is very, very important to have a set goal in their life. And to achieve that goal, they must have short-term goals and long-term goals. As you achieve the short-term goals, the long-term goals can be achieved accordingly. Now, second tip is prioritize your tasks based on importance and emergency. Priority, that is very, very important. You have to prioritize your tasks effectively. Here, I would like to narrate a well-known incident on the importance of priority. A professor stood before his philosophy class with some items in front of him. When the class began, he picked up a large and empty glass jar and proceeded to fill it with golf balls. He then asked the students if the jar was full. They agreed that it was. The professor then picked up a box of pebbles and poured them into the jar. He shook the jar lightly. The pebbles rolled into the open spaces between the golf balls. He then asked the students again if the jar was full. They agreed it was. Now, the professor next picked up a box of sand and poured into the jar. Of course, the sand filled up the remaining space. He asked once more if the jar was full. The student responded with a unanimous yes. Now, said the professor, I want you to recognize that this jar represents your life. The golf balls are the important things. Your family, your children, your health, your friends, and your favorite passions. And if everything else was lost and only they remained, your life still will be full. The pebbles are the other things that matter, like your job, your home, your and perhaps your personal belongings. The sand is everything else, the small stuff. If you put the sand into the jar first, he continued, there or the golf balls. The same goes for life. If you spend all your time and energy on the small stuff, you will have none left for the things that are more important in your life. Pay attention to the things that are critical to your happiness. Take care of the golf balls first, the things that really matter. Set your priorities. The rest is just sand. Now, continuing with the tips on effective time management, the next tip is to set a time limit to complete a task. Every task needs some time, and it is very important to set that time limit. Without the time limit, you won't be able to complete that task in the given time. Next important tip is to organize yourself. Whenever we are doing any task, we need to know that what are the necessary requirements that will be needed for fulfilling to complete that task. And therefore, to organize all these requirements are very, very important step. Next point is to get rid of non-essential tasks or activities. Whenever we are doing any important task, there are instances where we experience some hindrance coming on your way. It can be some friends interrupting you, it can be a mobile phone interrupting you. Therefore, get rid of these non essential activities. Next important tip is to plan in advance. Planning in advance is a very important step. Whatever things required to complete a task, it needs some planning, and advanced planning always results into efficient and effective task. Now, everything is very important when you stay healthy, and to have a healthy body and a healthy mind, you need to have a good night's sleep. If you are awake for the whole night, then definitely the next day you will feel lazy, you will feel drowsiness, and therefore it will affect to complete the task. So, a good night's sleep is always important. And lastly, the last tip is to reward yourself. Once you have achieved any task, you need to rejoice. You need to attain the happiness. And you can do anything to reward yourself. Just go for a ride. Just enjoy a tea with your friends. Have some party. Ultimately, your happiness is also very important. And we do get happiness when we achieve any task or achieve any goal in our life. So, rewarding yourself is very, very important. So, these were the tips for effective time management. Now, let us discuss what are the strategies which we can adopt for time management. Now, the first important strategy is to start your day with a clear focus. When you get up early in the morning, you should know that you should what you are going to do in that on that particular day. So you have to focus yourself. That is very, very important. Then next thing is to prepare a task list. Whatever task is to be done in a day, you have to prepare those items which is needed to prepare that task. Then third, as I said in the beginning, to minimize your interruptions. These days, mostly everyone is, they are busy in social network or social media platform like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And these are the distractions which comes as a hindrance on your way to complete your task in a given time. So please minimize your interruptions. Next important strategy is to limit multitasking. At a time, if you decide to do 5 or 6 work together, so no work will be completed efficiently and also on time. So please limit your multitasking. Just try to complete 1 or 2 tasks at a time. And at last, review your day. At night, when you sit, just remember, just reflect, just introspect ki what you have done the entire day, whether you had completed as you had planned or not. So reviewing your day is very, very important, which will boost your motivation, it will boost your morale to do the work in a better way next day. Now, after the strategies of time management, there are some important time management tools. And very important tool is to-do list. Listing. Listing of the items is very, very important to bring productivity in a system or completing a task. One should have a to-do list all times. It helps you to memorize the things. Therefore, you must have a to-do list. Next important tool is the calendar. A good calendar is essential to tracking, planning, and scheduling your time for the meeting, tasks, and project. Now, after these two tools, the third important tool is for the time management is the address. Now, when you want to complete any task, you need to be connected with few people, and therefore, to connect with them, we need to maintain all the addresses for any need to contact such people. So you need to have a phone diary, or you can keep or save the phone numbers on your mobile. And at last, very important tool, that is the notebook or a diary. One should always keep a notebook, which is an essential tool in time management. It will help you to retrieve the information needed. So try to keep one notebook in your pocket, in your handbags, and whenever it is required to jot down important points, so you have the notebook and a pen to write down so that you can remember it. Now, after all this discussion, so let us see what are the advantages of time management. Why time management is so important? Why it brings success in a life? So there are many advantages of time management. It is important as it will help you prioritize in a better way. It will enhance your productivity and help you achieve your goals faster. When you manage your time better, you will be able to take on bigger opportunities. It can lower your stress levels and achieve greater work-life balance. This is very, very important. And without strong time management, your work and well-being can suffer, and it can lead to poor quality work, missing deadlines, increasing your stress levels, ruining your work-life balance, and harming your professional reputation. So now you can all see that how time management is so important in our life. Now let us discuss why so many famous people have followed time management and they became successful people in this world. So now when we look at some of the world's most successful people who have accomplished a lot in their life just by using effective time management techniques, we are inspired and motivated. Benjamin Franklin, for example, who was the founding father of the USA, was a man of routine with a strict daily schedule. He used to create a personal schedule every day to increase his productivity at work. Thomas Jefferson, Richard Branson, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates are the greatest example of time king today. Bill Gates said that time is the only commodity which money can't buy, and therefore make sure to use all of it efficiently. If time runs out, it doesn't return. We waste time unnecessarily, but we do not use it well, and hence we experience failure in life. To overcome the failure, we have to choose time management for success. Promise yourself that you will plan your life with time management so that you can achieve great heights in life and achieve success after success and make your life a beautiful life. Today, I take a special note to all the students who will be appearing for their board exams this year. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound and sudden impact on many areas of life, work, leisure, and family time alike. These changes have also affected educational processes in formal and informal learning environments. The sudden lockdown required quick adjustments on behalf of teaching and learning. This has required adopting new educational strategies for digital teaching, which is an emerging phenomenon in many educational setups. For students, the lack of structured in-class learning settings may have required more self-regulation and self-motivation to learn with less support. Dear students, CBSE has already announced the board exams to be held in the month of May. Hence, it is important to manage your time efficiently in order to achieve success in academic performance. Hope in this session you were able to learn how to utilize your time efficiently. Now I would like to end my address with a quote from our beloved former President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. So manage your time and habits today for a bright future tomorrow. Thank you everyone. God bless you all and take care. Bye-bye.